between every beat of your heart, that space in between, is where you hear your truth being revealed moment by moment, breath by breath. Feel your heartbeat. And if nothing comes to you yet, it's okay. You can simply say, I am here now and I receive. Simply allow yourself to receive. As you remember, the capacity of your giving is the capacity of your receiving. The capacity of your receiving is the capacity of your giving. You get to receive and fill your cup back up. Fill your cup back up so you can give from an overflowing cup of love, allowing yourself to rest in prosperity,